Greetings. This is an introduction to the programming assignment. I've actually recorded the programming assignment, and there were a few things that I thought of afterwards. So I'm sticking these things in first. This is not a very long video. There are a couple of things that you just need to be aware of as you proceed to watch the next video. The first thing you need to know, what are the prerequisites for this thing? Well, you need to know about the ordered array object that is defined in chapter 2 of your text. The other thing that you need to know about, this is very important, and I hope you've had this in a previous Java class, you need to know how to write your own compare to method. Maybe you've seen the compare to, you've seen this with reference to strings, but you should also be aware that when you define your own objects, if you want to be able to compare these objects, you can do so if you go ahead and write your own compare to. And that typically takes the form of something like this. It always returns an int, public int compare to. And then over here is the object name. And then a variable name. And then you have to go in here and you have to write the code for it. So code goes here. And again, what you need to do if you're not familiar with this is you need to refer to any standard Java text. The third thing that I want to say here about the video that you're about to watch, I made a small mistake in there. I'm going to correct it now. We're going to be doing lots of things with names, first names and last names, and we're going to be comparing them. Brings in the old compare to right here. But what I did, and this was a mistake, is that I would write perhaps a name like this. And what I was doing is I was mixing the case. I had a capital D and then a lowercase a, lowercase v, and a lowercase e. I should have either written names in all uppercase or I should have written them in all lowercase. Anyway, as you watch the next video, keep that in mind. You should also be aware that there are Java string functions, and I'm sure you know them, that can convert strings to uppercase or to lowercase. But whenever we're comparing strings, we should just make sure that the strings are all in the same case. If you've got these three things under your belt, then you're ready to go ahead and watch the next video. Okay, thanks a lot.